Hello, my lovely students. Welcome back to Miss Shiva, your math teacher. We're going to start a new chapter, finding ratio. So in this chapter, you will talk about ratio, using a ratio to compare two quantities. So as you can see, my drawing, I drew 2 bananas and 3 apples. So we have 2 bananas, 3 apples. So what is the ratio that you can see? Ratio of banana to apples. So how many banana do you see? So whenever we read the question, you will have to pay attention to the words. It says ratio of banana to apple. So the first thing we need to look at is banana, which is 2. And apples is 3. So the ratio of banana to apple is 2 to 3. The second one, ratio of apples to banana. So first we asked about the apple. So we say apple, we put 3. 2 bananas. Banana, we have 2. So apple to banana is 3 to 2. Then we're going to talk about the using a ratio to compare a quantity with the total quantity. For example, we have the ratio of banana to all. Because we said banana first, so first we're going to write the number of how many bananas do we have. How many bananas do we have? On the top, we have only 2. And to all. All means the total number of fruits that we have. So we have 2 banana and 3 apples, 5. Ratio of apples to all. So how many apples do we have? We have 3. To all means all the fruits that we have, which is 5. So you really have to pay attention to the words and read the question carefully. As long as you do that, you're fine. Then we can show the ratio in different formats using a bar model to show the ratio, which is going to be the second page. So for example, we have 1 unit, 2 units. So you have 2 units for banana, and we have 1, 2, 3 units for apples. The reason I put 2 units for banana because we have 2 banana. The reason I put 3 units for apples is because we have 3 apples. So you can say showing the ratio by using the bar model. The next part is using ratio to compare length, masses, and volumes. So for example, in the first one you see the object A, the backpack or something. The object A is 4 kilogram, object B is 3 kilogram. The ratio is not 4 kilogram to 3 kilogram. There is no unit in a ratio. So we don't say any kilograms, centimeters, nothing, just numbers. So the ratio will be the ratio of A to B, object A to object B. Because we said A first, so we write the number of A first. It will be 4, 2, 3. What is B to A? It will be 3 to 4. And so on. If we say the total, then we have to add them up. So really, it depends on the question. If you read the question carefully, you should not get confused. So now the lesson is finished. Now we're going to do some practices together. Practice number 1. write the ratios. So you see some blue buttons and you see some red buttons. Number A, part A, the ratio of the number of blue buttons to number of red buttons. So it's asking us, write the ratio of blue buttons to red. First we said blue, so we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 blue buttons. So we write 9 first. We put the 2 dots. And then it says to the red button. Red button we have 4. So it's 9 to 4. B, ratio of red buttons to blue buttons. So we said red first. Red is 4. Blue is 9. That's it. Ratio of blue buttons to the total. So how many blue buttons do we have? We have 9 blue buttons. Total buttons. So it's asking for a total. So we just do 9 plus 4 is 13. So the total amount of buttons are 13. So it will be 9 to 13. Now it's going to ask us, for example, show it in a bar model. If it's asking for the show with the bar model, for example, saying red to blue using a bar model. Then we have 4 red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 9. So we have to draw 9 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 9 blues, 9 blues, yes. So that's how you show in a bar model. If it's asking for example, saying a box of juice, or you just really have to pay attention to the question and see what they're asking. And the first word is very important, blue to red. So you need to write the blue first and then red. Blue to total. Buttons to the total. So as long as you do the questions and read the question carefully, you're fine. Also, another thing is liters, centimeters, kilogram. You don't need to write the unit for them. So we just write the numbers. Thank you, and I'm gonna come back with the next chapter. I hope you find this lesson easy. And if you don't understand, watch my video again. Don't forget to subscribe and like and leave the comment. Bye guys. See you soon.